Go, bring it. Here it goes. Here it goes.
Do it over there. Just close the gate. My car windows are out of pressure.
Oh, go, hurry, 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 hurry. Hurry. There you go.
Go, 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 go. Oh, we got lighter. Let's go. Just hold it off road, brings you this. Woo!
Do it. Do it.
Smoke that shit.
Run that shit. Move that shit.
Oh, shit.
Dude, what kind of fuse is that? Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hey, bring the wagon. Bring the wagon, bring the wagon, bring the wagon. Hurry up, get the wagon.
Bring that shit home.
Wow. Oh, damn, that's not a fuse, bro. That's not a fuse. I'm telling you. That's not a fuse, man.
That's not a fuse. We gotta light a fuse too. Hey, what's going on?
Damn.
Wait,
Hey, that shit, dude.
I was like, oh.